Pick it up, Faris. Pick up the carrot. Give it to the little one. Little one, little baby one. This one, yeah, this one. Pick it up again. Now go closer, Put it next to his mouth. There you go. Pick it up again. Now get closer, put it next to his mouth. You got to hold it. Look, like this. Hold it like this. Yeah?
Hold it flat on your hand.
Hold it flat in your hand. Good boy. Let it finish. There you go. That was a big carrot. Okay, so it's going to finish eating that one.
Come on, let's go. Come with me.
Come on, let's go.
Daddy, I'm having carrots.
Yeah, we'll get some more carrots in a bit.
Did we wash their hands a little bit or not? Need it.
Yeah, you can wash your hands, guys. Shh, don't. Look at how many cabbages they're eating. They're sleeping, leave them. Feed these little lambs here. They want carrots.
That's any more, Daddy?
Go on, Faris.
It's not the last one. Daddy, but there's one more left.
Good boy, Faris.
Yeah, the one that's got that one.
Goshi.
I don't think it's that.
No, I don't think any of them are starving. They all get lots of food.
Hey, Patrick.
Yeah. Pete. You want some food? No, touch on its nose. Touch on its head, Faris. Touch his head. There you go. Good boy. Mummy's not touched any animal.
Why?
Mummy's a scaredy cat. I wonder where Faris gets it from. Don't scream. He's only your friend. He's only coming to say hello. Good boy, Faris. Brave boy, Faris. Oh, he's come back again. I think he likes Faris. Yeah.
He bit him, did you see that? He bit him on the butt. Just be careful, Faris.
He's a naughty body. Yeah, he likes Faris. He's a donkey. Dogs? Goats?
Faris, be careful.
Dogs. They're not dogs, they're goats, silly.
But this one looks like a dog.
No, it doesn't look like a dog. It's like a goat. Oh. Faris.
Faris, just be careful, please.
Whoa! Daddy, what's this on the coat?
Llama.
Look at the white llama.
Look at his teeth. Be careful now, don't get too close.
No, I'll just wash your hand, please.
It's okay. No, they don't like being touched. They don't like being touched.
Oh!
Look, let's go this way.
Look at teeth on that one.
Yeah, no, don't touch it. That deep.
They will peck you, get away from it.
Away from that.
Come this side.
No, it's got that deep. You've got to be careful.
Yeah, geese. They don't eat carrots or anything, so they won't. You hear the noise it made?
Yeah.
Huh? Listen to it. No, ducks don't come near you.
They're too far away. They're all the way.
Ducks won't come close. Imagine your dad. I know we're touching, feeding pigs.
He'd never forgive you. Don't ever tell him.
Why do you don't want to touch them?
Mummy's a scaredy cat.
Where is Sherry Cat? We are not scared. Why are you scared? Mommy, why are you scared?
Paris was a little bit scared, but now he's not
I'm
scared.
not dead, Mom. Okay.
Yeah, you're okay now,
I'm
right?
brave.
Yeah, you're brave now.
Just don't touch your face, okay, guys? Keep your hands down.
More pigs? Is there more pigs?
Why do you guys all make so much?
Daddy, is that pig?
Yeah.
Daddy had a potting one.
No, it's not. It's a big fat pig. Look at this one here. Look at how big he is.
Look at this one.
He's a hairy pig, isn't he?
Very big.
Look at his head.
It's very big, this one. No, you don't feed him, can you? You know what I'm going to do?
Don't get stuck to me.
Did he?
Don't get stuck to me.
Did he shout at you?
Yeah.
I think there's a. I think at 11 o'clock they said there's a milk. You can feed them milk.
All right, okay.
Come on.
We stop.
Good job. Look where you're going. Keep going.
I just touched my face.
It's okay, you've already washed your hands. Good job.